Hello, my name is Sue Furbringer, and I'm the Director of Advising in the Excel program here at Marion. I'd like to take the opportunity to share a bit about the Excel program, but first I'd like you to meet our first year advising team.
Hi, everyone. My name is Terry Durkin, and I have worked at Marion for nearly 10 years. I serve as advisor for students in our allied health program, so that includes radiologic technology, diagnostic medical sonography, and exercise and sports science majors, as well as the athletic coaching minor. And I also advise students in the education program, so that includes early childhood elementary, elementary middle, middle secondary, as well as special education. And I'm really looking forward to working with all of the Excel students in those programs to help build a solid foundation in the first year that will carry you through to graduation.
Hello, my name is Sue Furbringer. I'm Director of Academic Advising and Excel programs, and the majors that I specifically work with are majors in arts and letters, which include art therapy, graphic arts, communication, English, and history, and I work with all business majors as well, and I'm looking forward to meeting with you and working with you this fall.
Hi, I'm Brenda Staub, and I have been at Marion almost 15 years, and I am the academic advisor for first year psychology and social work majors. I am also the coordinator of student success. So I welcome you to Marion.
Hello, I'm Hannah Wagner. I serve as an advisor for the nursing, forensic science, homeland security, criminal justice, biology, chemistry, and math majors. I have only been at Marion for a couple months, but I look forward to meeting all of you this coming fall.
Hi everyone, my name is Mary Hatlin, and I have a dual role here at Marion. I am the Director of Career Services, and I'm also the academic advisor for undeclared students. I've been at Marion for over 20 years, and I can say I absolutely love my job, and that's what I want for you. I want to help you find your dream job and your dream career. Welcome to Marion.
Buenos dias. My name is Kelsey Viney. I'm serving as the academic advisor for Spanish minors. So I really look forward to helping you develop your language skills and find some classes that are interesting to you if you're pursuing that. You will also see me out and about on campus promoting math and science services. That's another one of my jobs here, is to oversee tutoring for math, chemistry, biology, and physics. So should you ever find yourself in any of those classes, I'll be happy to help set you up with any extra support that you might need there as well.
Our goal with the Excel program is to help you find success as you begin your college career at Marion. Excel is a one-year program that provides guidance through regular meetings that give us a chance to review your courses, review your progress and study skills, refer you to academic support services when you might need help. For your regular meetings, you'll meet with your assigned academic advisor every 3 weeks as an individual check-in just for you to provide you with any help you may need. We also welcome students into our office area at any time for studying, and we offer academic workshops on relevant topics. While you've been admitted to Marion through the Excel program, you will be pursuing your academic interests from day one. Using information you've shared, we have developed a class schedule that aligns with your major of interest. And if you might still be exploring and haven't decided on a specific major, we can help with that too. One of our favorite parts about Excel is our Summer Bridge program. This is a mandatory component of your admission and will provide you with the opportunity to become familiar with campus, learn about resources, and meet other students. This is a kind of on-campus pre-orientation program, and it runs about a week before our classes begin. Residential students will be allowed to move on campus during this time as well. Please watch for more information to come. We are excited to welcome you to the Excel program and to begin working with you this fall. Until then, we encourage you to begin connecting with us now. We're here to answer any questions you may have and help you out along the way.